Go. Ano? Press.
What?
Press me or no?
I don't want Oreo.
Marshmallow, chocolate. Maybe you can choose 3 strawberries. Ah, no, you cannot.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. One more, chocolate. No?
I'm gonna eat it.
You don't like chocolate? Okay, add.
Yeah. Got the cup.
Look at the robot.
It's gonna get it. Just shut up. It's coming.
The marshmallow.
Dude, I didn't want marshmallow.
And the syrup. Cute. Whoop. So I wonder where is the spoon? Oh, so how are you going to eat?
Hello, can you give me a spoon?